Greetings, health enthusiasts! We're on an exciting quest heading towards the milestone of 500 subscribers. If intriguing health and wellness topics spark your curiosity, we warmly invite you to subscribe and join us on this enlightening journey. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating exploration of the natural world and its powerful healing properties. We'll be comparing 10 commonly used medications with their herbal counterparts, revealing the incredible potential of nature's own pharmacy. From the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger to the cardiovascular benefits of turmeric, we'll delve into the active compounds that make these herbs such powerful medicine alternatives. We'll also discuss herbs that can help with digestion, immunity, energy, sleep, liver health, and even mood. Our mission is to empower you with knowledge, helping you to understand the potential of these natural alternatives, and how they could complement or even substitute traditional medicines in your health regimen. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of medicinal herbs. First up, we have the common anti-inflammatory drug, ibuprofen. But did you know that ginger, with its active compound gingerol, serves as a natural alternative? Ginger, a familiar spice in many kitchens, has been used as a medicinal herb for centuries. It's celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe muscle discomfort and joint pain. The secret behind this power is gingerol, the main bioactive compound in ginger. Gingerol is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It can help your body wage war against oxidative stress and inflammation, the silent culprits behind many chronic diseases. Ginger can be consumed fresh, in powder form, or as an oil or juice. It's also a common ingredient in recipes, making it an easy addition to your diet. So whether it's a headache, menstrual pain, or post-workout muscle soreness, ginger could be your go-to natural remedy. So next time you reach for ibuprofen, consider trying some ginger instead. Now let's talk about atorvastatin, a cardiovascular medicine. As an alternative, we have turmeric containing the active compound curcumin. Atorvastatin is a commonly prescribed drug that helps in reducing the levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood. It's a go-to for many, but did you know that turmeric, a spice you probably have in your kitchen right now, can also do wonders for your heart health? Turmeric, a bright yellow spice used extensively in Asian cuisine, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, thanks to the active compound, curcumin. This compound is believed to improve the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of the blood vessels. By doing so, it helps regulate blood pressure and prevent blood clotting, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. While turmeric is not a direct replacement for atorvastatin, incorporating it in your diet can certainly complement your cardiovascular health regimen. Remember, turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a heart-healthy alternative to atorvastatin. Moving on, we have ondansetron, an anti-nausea medicine. But ginger can also do the trick, and it's all natural. Ginger, known as Zingiber officinale in the scientific community, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Its active compound, gingerol, is responsible for its distinct flavor and medicinal properties. Ginger's superpower is its ability to quell nausea and vomiting, making it a great natural alternative to ondansetron. It's especially effective for motion sickness, post-operative nausea, and even morning sickness during pregnancy. The beauty of ginger is that it can be consumed in various forms like raw, as a spice in meals, or steeped into a soothing tea. But remember, while ginger is generally safe, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before replacing any prescribed medication. So, the next time you're feeling a bit queasy, why not give ginger a try? So, for those stomach upsets, consider reaching for some ginger. Next, we have omeprazole, a digestive medicine. But have you considered chamomile with its active compound apigenin? Chamomile is a daisy-like plant, renowned for its calming properties and has been used for centuries. Its active compound, apigenin, is a potent antioxidant, and it's this component that contributes to the herb's medicinal properties. Chamomile is most commonly consumed as a tea, and is known for its gentle, soothing effect on the digestive system. It can ease discomfort from indigestion, gastritis, and even irritable bowel syndrome. Plus, it's mild enough for children and pregnant women. Moreover, chamomile has a calming effect on the nervous system, which can indirectly promote better digestion. Stress and anxiety can wreak havoc on your gut, and the calming properties of chamomile can help mitigate these effects. So, if you're dealing with digestive issues and want a natural, gentle way to soothe your system, chamomile might be just what you're looking for. So, instead of omeprazole, chamomile might be your cup of tea. For boosting immunity, you might know methotrexate, but Echinacea, with its active compound echinacoside, is a natural alternative. Now let's dive deeper into Echinacea. Native to North America, Echinacea has been used for centuries by indigenous tribes for its therapeutic properties. This purple coneflower is a powerhouse when it comes to bolstering your immune system. Its active compound, echinacea, has been shown to stimulate the production of white blood cells, our body's first line of defense against viruses and bacteria. Moreover, Echinacea is said to have anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for relieving common cold symptoms. It's also available in various forms such as tablets, teas, and extracts, making it a versatile addition to your health regime. One thing to note though, is that while Echinacea is generally safe for most people, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. So, for a natural immune boost, consider Echinacea instead of methotrexate. Moving on to energy boosters, we have methylphenidate. But did you know ginseng can provide a natural energy boost? Ginseng, a revered herb in traditional medicine, is renowned for its unique ability to invigorate the body and mind. Unlike methylphenidate, a prescription medication typically used to treat attention deficit disorders, ginseng offers a gentler, natural alternative for enhancing energy levels. Ginseng contains active compounds known as ginsenosides, which are believed to be responsible for its medicinal properties. These compounds have been linked to improved mental performance, increased physical stamina, and reduced fatigue. It's like having a personal cheerleader for your body's energy levels. Moreover, ginseng has a long history of use in various cultures and its safety profile is well established. It's available in many forms, from powders to capsules, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. So for a natural energy lift, consider ginseng instead of methylphenidate. For sleep aid, you might know zolpidem, but valeriana, with its active compound valerianic acid, is a natural alternative. When sleep eludes you, and counting sheep no longer helps, many turn to sleep aids such as zolpidem, a prescription medication. But did you know there is a plant-based option that can offer similar benefits? Enter valeriana, or as it's commonly known, valerian root. This natural sleep aid has been used for centuries and is beloved for its calming properties. The magic lies in its active compound, valerianic acid, which has been found to induce sleep and improve sleep quality. It works by increasing the amount of a chemical called gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain, which has a direct impact on your mood and sleep. Valeriana, unlike zolpidem, is not associated with dependence or withdrawal symptoms, making it a safer choice for long-term use. Remember, while valeriana might be a natural alternative, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare provider before making any changes to your routine. So, for a natural sleep aid, consider valeriana instead of zolpidem. Next we have ursodiol, a liver medicine, but have you considered milk thistle with its active compound silymarin? This herbaceous plant, native to Mediterranean countries, has been used for centuries to support liver health and function. Milk thistle's power lies in its seeds, rich in the active compound silymarin, a group of flavonoids praised for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. When it comes to liver health, milk thistle is believed to protect the liver cells from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. It's also thought to aid in the regeneration of damaged liver tissue, making it a fantastic choice for those seeking to maintain a healthy liver. Not only that, but silymarin can also stimulate bile production, helping with digestion and the absorption of nutrients. However, remember that while milk thistle is a potent herb, it's not a cure-all. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. So, for liver health, consider milk thistle instead of ursodiol. Moving on, we have fluoxetine, an antidepressant, but St. John's wort with its active compound hypericin is a natural alternative. St. John's wort, named for its blooming season around St. John's Day, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its active compound, hypericin, is believed to play a key role in its mood-lifting effects. This herb is often used as a natural remedy for mild to moderate depression, anxiety, and sleep disorders. Unlike fluoxetine, which can take several weeks to start working, St. John's wort often shows effects within a week. However, it's important to remember that while St. John's wort is a natural alternative, it doesn't make it side effect free. It can interact with certain medications and sunlight sensitivity is a known side effect. While it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, for those seeking a natural approach to managing their mood, it's definitely worth considering. So for a natural mood lift, consider St. John's wort instead of fluoxetine. Lastly, we have loperamide, a digestive medicine. But peppermint, with its active compound menthol, can also help digestion. As we explore the world of herbal remedies, peppermint stands out as a potent digestive aid. This familiar herb, often associated with fresh breath, has a lot more to offer. Its active compound, menthol, has been shown to help soothe the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, easing symptoms such as bloating, abdominal pain, and even irritable bowel syndrome. Peppermint is versatile. You can enjoy it as a refreshing tea, or use its essential oil for topical applications. It's a natural approach that's been embraced for centuries. While loperamide can certainly help with digestive issues, peppermint provides a gentle, holistic alternative with minimal side effects. It's worth noting that everyone's body responds differently, so it's essential to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes. So for digestive health, consider peppermint instead of loperamide. Well, that wraps up our comparison of 10 common medicines and their herbal alternatives. We've journeyed through the world of natural remedies, exploring how ginger can serve as an alternative to ibuprofen and ondansetron, and how turmeric can be a heart-healthy substitute for atorvastatin. We've seen how chamomile can soothe the digestive system like omeprazole, and how echinacea can boost your immune system much like methotrexate. We've discovered how ginseng can provide an energy boost without the need for methylphenidate, and how valeriana can help us sleep without zolpidem. We've learned how milk thistle can be gentle on the liver like ursodiol, and how St. John's wort can lift our spirits like fluoxetine. Lastly, we've seen how peppermint can ease digestion just like loperamide. Remember, nature has its own pharmacy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe as we continue our journey to 500 subscribers.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all the latest content I have in store for you. And hey, it's a great way to show your support for the channel. So, click that subscribe button now, and let's continue this journey together. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks again for being part of our community, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay healthy.